Hello, welcome back. I'm Daniela Paku and I am so excited to be here with you, sharing with you information about health, living well and all that. But today is about a very special topic that have come in from different quarters and people want to just know what to do at this particular period, which is called Ramadan. This is a period of Ramadan where Muslims all over the world observe a fast, a religious fast, okay? And as a diabetic, a lot of people have been concerned. They are concerned about how to go about it. So people in my program have been asking these questions. How do I go about it? Should I observe it? Will it affect my health and all that? So I just want to share with you quickly how you can go about it and whether you should or should not do it. If you are a diabetic person, first and foremost, the advice I give to you always as your health coach is ask your doctor. Yeah, make sure you confirm with him whether you should do something like that. Very, very important. Now, if you are on meds, if you are taking your medication, strictly on medication, do not observe the Ramadan. I don't know the rules involved in the Ramadan, but I'm just looking at it from the perspective of the health aspect of your body. So if you are on medication, strictly on medication, whether type 1 or type 2, do not observe it because fasting has a glycemic, a high sugar balancing effect just like that of your medication. So you can't be doing it too, so that you don't have effect of hypoglycemia. Okay, then secondly, if you are type 1 diabetic and of course you know that you're already constantly on insulin shots and all that, I do not advise you to do any form of fasting. It will not be in your interest. And of course, I don't need to tell our pregnant diabetic out there that with gestational diabetes that you are not advised to do any form of fasting. Okay, but if you are a type 2 diabetic or pre-diabetic and you are not on meds and you are doing a lifestyle change to reverse it, just like the people in my program, I would say yes, go ahead and do this fast. It's going to have great effect on your sugar level, your blood sugar level. I'm going to put a description, a link for a research, a very recent research that has backed up this fasting as very effective on your high blood sugar level. So please ensure that when you are breaking your fast, keep up your water intake, eat your right foods. Do not, because you are breaking your fast, you now go and eat overboard or load up on junk and processed food. This is a period where you take in good foods, and just like in the science sector, in the diet and lifestyle industry, this type of eating is called a 1 meal a day kind of. Okay, so it's a type of intermittent fasting that also has good effect on your high blood sugar level, burning belly fat and all that. So for more questions, I cannot emphasize the importance of this. So for emphasis, if you are type 2 diabetic and you are not on meds, you are pre-diabetic or insulin resistant and you just want to work on it, this is the perfect time for you to observe this Ramadan, and it's going to have great impact on you. You are going to have good results with burning belly fat and turning your body into a fat burning, putting it in a fat burning mode. So please ensure that whatever you do, you check with your doctor, and of course my contact is down below. Ask me any questions and I am here to answer you. My children are back and I'm about to run away before they will come and scatter my arrangement here. So see you, I love you, and remember, diabetes does not have to be a curse. It's not a death sentence. It's just a calling to live a disciplined life. I love you and bye.